back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing something entirely different from what we usually do. I'm not going to be talking about my hair in today's video. Today's video is going to be about skincare products, like what skincare products I use on my skin, where I get them from, and all of that. So I don't want to waste anybody's time. I'm just gonna go straight into this video. But before I start this video, you guys, I just wanted to point out that I'm not filming with a ring light. There is no ring light here, okay? I'm filming with natural lighting. The sun isn't even really hitting my skin. Like, I've been trying to get that to work, but today is just not my day, I guess. So I'm not using any ring light to film. This is just natural lighting because I wanted you guys to really see how well this product has been working on my skin and what I think in general. So you guys, the name of the company we're going to be talking about in today's video is called FABSTOUCH. Okay, so the CEO of this company actually has a YouTube channel. If you guys are interested, if you want to go check out her channel, she has a YouTube channel dedicated to skincare formulations, making of skincare products and all of that. So this is the name of the company, FABSTOUCH, as you guys can see here. I'm going to link her Instagram page in the description box as well as her YouTube channel. This is a skincare brand based in Lagos, Nigeria, although they do ship internationally. And this brand is dedicated to formulating different skincare products for different skin types and different skin conditions. So if you're suffering from acne, if you're suffering from melasma, whatever the skin condition may be, this company actually makes products that can cure such skin conditions. So please make sure you go check out the company. How I've been enjoying this product, when I tell you guys, this product sits so nicely on my skin, I'm not even joking. Trust me, I'm somebody who is prone to hyperpigmentations. I always tend to get a lot of hyperpigmentations, especially on my neck areas and stuff like that. I've always suffered from hyperpigmentations, but ever since I started using this brand, it just sort of evened out everything for me. When I tell you, I have no skin reactions from this brand, no funny looking patches or stretch marks or this red, black, big stretch marks. None of that. I never experienced such from this company. They're just a genuine company, and I think this is one of the few good organic brands out there that actually know what they are doing, not the ones that just formulate and pro-mix and do all sorts of rubbish. This lady actually takes out the time to properly understand every single product that goes into formulation, and she doesn't just throw a bunch of chemicals up and down. No, she actually knows what she's doing, and she cares for her client's skin, which is a plus. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use from this company, and then I'm also going to be unboxing some of the new items that I got recently. Now, it's not new, it's the same set, but I just got a new set because I'm running out on the old one. So this company actually has different types of set. They have the stage 1, the stage 2, the stage 3, and the senior women set. So depending on your skin tone and what you want to achieve, depending on the shade you want to achieve, you would have to contact them for your recommendations, and they will tell you what exactly to use. So I'm using the senior women's set. So I just want to go straight ahead and show you guys what comes in the set and how it has worked for me. But you guys can see my skin. When I tell you guys that I'm obsessed with this skincare brand, I'm not even playing. Excuse the Tiger Max. I've always had Tiger Max, so yeah. So let me just quickly show you guys what comes in the set and all of that. So obviously in a set you have your soap. This is my face cream. As you guys can see, this is my face cream, and I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see that I've been using it. This is what it looks like. That's my face cream. And then I also have my lotion. This is my lotion. I have 2 bottles of the lotion. I actually got 2 bottles the very first time that I purchased. I got 2 bottles from them because I didn't want to, run out. So I have 2 bottles of the lotion, as you guys can see here. And then the face cream. I also have their oil. Okay, talking oil. It also comes with the face cleanser. You don't need too much, just a tad bit. And then I also have my face soap, and this is also another face soap that I use. I just like alternate between the two. I might use this in the morning and then I use the other one at night. It's just depending on preference, like depending on how I feel that day, depending on my mood basically. And then this is their soap. Okay, so this is the soap that I also use from the company. This is also the soap that I use from the company, and the lotions. I'm going to show you guys the inside of this soap. Like when I tell you this soap is pink and it's so cute, the fact that it's pink. So this is what the soap looks like. As you can see, I'm almost out. I use it all the time. Like, so they have procedures as to how you're to apply all of these products. You're supposed to apply them and leave them on your skin for a good 5 to 10 minutes before you take your bath. So yeah, this is what the soap looks like. They have different colors about the soap. Like when it comes to this Triple Delight soap, they have in pink, they have in yellow, in blue, and I believe in light green. So it all depends on, you know, how sensitive your skin is. Like if you just DM the company, they will tell you like you need to DM them for recommendations. You can't just go and just blind buy those things without having to ask the company. So you have to make sure you ask them for proper recommendations. So yeah, this is one I use. And then my two lotions. I'm actually out on the first one. Like this lotion, I'm completely, it's just remaining a tad bit, like it's just remaining very small. I'm almost out on this one. This one is still pretty full. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to show you guys the new sets or the new package that I ordered from the company. Oh, I didn't show you guys the scrub. So this is how the scrub comes. It comes in like little small pouches like this. I've used quite a lot of it. It's just left with half. Over here it's just left with half like this. I've used quite a lot. So let me just move ahead and show you guys the new items. This is my new package, and as you can see, this company ships with DHL internationally or domestic, like whatever it is, they ship via DHL, as you guys can see. So let's unbox. So when you unbox this, this is what you get. FABSTOUCH written on there. So like I said, I still got the same set, like nothing changed. They're all the same sets. And this time around I got this other type of the scrub. Okay, so she has two types of scrub. She has the fruity scrub, which is written here, fruity scrub, and then she also has her Arabian glow scrub, which I believe this is made from coffee or so. So I decided to also get this one because I wanted to try out and see the difference. Apparently one is formulated with sugar. I think this is the one that's formulated with sugar, and this is formulated with salt. I also got another lotion. So I have two full lotions now. I have another lotion here. The lotion is, I believe, 250 ml. So yeah, I also restocked on my soap, which is a must. Like my soap, girl, please. This is a new one that I haven't used yet, which I'm gonna show you guys. As you guys can see, it's full to the top. Can you guys see how cute this color is? Like it's so cute. It almost wants to match my lip gloss. Also, my lip gloss is from the company FABSTOUCH. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. So yeah, this is what the soap is looking like. And then I also got the facial toner. Okay, it comes in the set. And I also got the talking oil, a new one. I got the talking oil. Can you guys see that? And then I got another face soap. This is face soap. Okay. And then I also got her, I believe I also got the face cream. So this is her face cream. I think I haven't used this one yet because I still have some of the other one left. So I think this one's peeled. So I haven't used this one yet. So I got the face cream. Okay, and then I also got the Tits whitening kits. This is a new product that they just released this year, 2022. So I'm yet to try this one. I can't wait to see how it works, but I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. So when you open this up, this is how it comes. Okay, so I think you're supposed to use this to, like, you know, brush your teeth and rinse off. So I'm gonna try this. Then I think the last thing that came in this set should be the lip gel. Now it's not a lip gloss, it's not a gloss, it's a gel. And then when you just apply this, it just makes your lip pink. So yeah, I think I have to probably get another one of this because I'm in love. Like, I love this so much. It's so tiny, like it's really really tiny. But yeah, this is what I use on my lips today. So yeah, that's everything that I got from the company called, like I said, FABSTOUCH. So yeah, that's everything I have to say about this company. I love the way the products sit nicely on my skin. I've been using their products for quite some time now. I have nothing bad to say about this company. I'm gonna attach videos of my skin in direct sunlight. The sun isn't even hitting me now. Like, my door is just open and the light is just coming in, so it's like a reflection of the sun. Like, it's not like hitting on my skin. Nah, I'm gonna show you guys a video of the sun really getting to my skin so you guys actually see how this products got me glowing. Okay, so yeah, this is for everybody that has been asking me what I use on my skin. I'm here to, like, just put this video up and tell you guys. So if you guys want to try out the company, all of the information to be listed down below. Please make sure you go check them out. I will link her YouTube channel so you could just take out your time and, like, go through her channel, watch all of that. She really knows what she's doing when it comes to the skincare formulation, when it comes to skincare world. She's your go-to. Like, when I tell you she's legit smart and she knows what she's doing, trust me. So yeah, it's a very reputable company, it's a very reputable brand. So please go check out this company and you can tell her Kiki Berry sent you, okay? And go try out 1 or 2 products from the brand and see for yourself. So yeah, that will be all. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.